Dude. Kicker game.
You wanna go lift the ball?
I don't know. The cone put instead of shot put.
Jocks have the shot put, well, nerds have the cone put. Said B. Oh yeah. Oh, that's how I get started.
Chris, where's my camera bag? Hey, Big Bird, what stays later? Just kidding. Let's get.
All right, ready, go.
This is Sparta!
Oh, come on, kick it some more. Oh, fuck, it broke. You guys suck, man. You broke it. Oh my god.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Keep on going.
Here. Dude, did you get that? I fucking fell.
Yeah, I got that. Oh my god, not again.
Fucking anal facaders.
Come on, guys.
Dude.
Steven, you're all like over there. Break the branch. See the branch right there?
Oh shit. Sucks because it just rained and it's all fucking
Should have broke that branch.
slippery like vagina. Dude, I got like sexual juices all over.
Oh, nice job in the mud.
Your mom's in the mud. Your mom has a mud badge.
She's not Mexican, sorry.
Gonna wash my hands in some hobo water.
When is the train gonna come?
I don't know. Here, turn off the recording. Right?
Alright, spearing a giant random pole off the edge. Okay, me and Steven, once again. What's up?
Once again, whew.
Okay, there's this
Should I do it?
retarded stick that we found, and we're gonna kick it down.
Alright, watch
show
out.
you,
Here, move your feet.
show you what it looked like if you were to fall off.
Alright,
Wait,
ready?
hold on.
I'm gonna try to see it how, I don't know how I'm gonna get off.
All right. These boards are old. That just. Where'd it go? I didn't get that.
It went way all the way down there. Look, watch out.
You gotta lift it up over this bolt.
Watch out.
Dude, holy fuck.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck.
Look at my spit. Woo!
Wait, hold on.
Let's watch it. Did you get it?
Basically, that's what happened. You break in half if you fell down.
Dude, it broke in 4 pieces in like 2 arrows.
Alright, later.
We're the ones who kicked it, biatch.
Oh my god.
Go.
Wait,
It's recording. Pee. I'm not getting your dick. Just go.
I can't pee.
Hurry up.
Oh, I gotta push it. Push! Push! Keep going. Did you get it?
Yeah, I think a fucking train's coming. Come on, let's go.